Hello everyone, this is Team Rookie. First, let's demo our final products. Let's first see the database that we created. This is our create table statements. Let's run it now. And also, this is the insert data statement. We can run it. And after running these two SQL file, we will have a scheme named job application. And using this database, we can ask questions, which is sending queries using select statements. Let's take the first question as an example. List top 10 job posters with the biggest job posting numbers, including their user account ID, name, and contact information. Let's run this selecting statement. And now it will return the result we wanted. This included 10 job posters information. And this is the answer we wanted. So, like this, you can write select statements as queries and sending it to the database and get your final result. Now, let's move to our website product, which is a Java project built by Eclipse. Let's run it directly on Eclipse. Run on the server. And then you will go to our welcome page. This welcome page including two links. The first one is find companies. The other one is find users. And both these links are used by job seekers and posters. First, assuming you are a seeker, let's say if you want to find a job, you can use this find company link. Let's go. And assuming you want to find a job in California, you can type state as CA and submit. And the system will give you all the companies which located in CA, and you can see its specific city, year founded, and the company name. Let's say if I choose the company Yep, and I want to see its jobs. You can click the jobs link here. And this will lead you to all the job postings for this company. And you can click the job location to see specific job location for this specific job. And also in future, we need to create an apply link here as well. So after you click apply, like you click delete, all your information will be sent to the poster directly or the company. So through this website, you can check all the jobs and apply them. Also, as a seeker, you may need to use this find users link to find a specific poster. Maybe he contacted you and you forget his contact information, or you see his name in our website and want to know more information about him to contact him directly. You can use this find users link. This page will search for user by first name. So let's take Bob as an example. Then the system will came up all the users with the first name as Bob. And the user type ID indicated if it's a poster or a seeker. So you can get your target posters and get his email, gender, contact information. Then you can contact this poster directly by yourself. Now, let's talk about the case assuming you are a poster. If you are a poster, you want to post jobs for a specific company. First, you need to find these companies from our system using Find Company link. Clicking this link, and you will go to the module Search for company by state. Assuming the company is located in state New York, you can type NY and submit. Then the system will come up all the companies located in New York. And you can search and find your company in this list. Assuming your company is named WebMD. And now you want to create jobs for this company. So go to the jobs link, and using the create job link here, you can create new job for this specific company for 96. And clicking the create job link, you will go to the module easy for you to create a new job. You can type the company ID, my job title, data advertised, job location ID, work type, classification, job description, page URL, and also your user account ID to create a new job. In addition, as a poster, in some cases you need to find the information about the seeker. You can also use the find users link as I demoed before. So let's try it. So if you want to find a seeker named Bob as well, you can click the find users link and type the first name Bob. And now it will give you all the users with the first name Bob and only one with the user type ID seeker. So this is your target seeker, and you can see his email, gender, contact number as well. And also in our database, we created education experience, work experience for each seeker, which is a seeker profile. So in the future, we may list it a seeker profile after each seeker. So you can click the link directly to see each seeker's profile for a poster.
Hello everyone. Our team project is Rocky. Today I will talk about two parts of our website. The first one is value proposition, and the second one is what we have delivered in this semester and how do we want to deliver beyond this semester. And as you can see, this one is the value proposition. We set our value proposition for Rocky as is an internship listing website that provides latest internship job posting categories categorized by area requirements or other attributes for the computer science major students who are unhappy with the lack of specific targeting of Indeed and Glassdoor. And the second part is that we have what we have delivered in this master is we have fulfilled our value proposition. Rocky has good value proposition for every part of our website, but one that is particularly impressive is the internship job posting for computer science students. In this part, our website helps students to find a job easier and faster. And this is our second part today. So this semester, we plan to deliver a website which requires a user to register and log into the account. Users have a username and password. Furthermore, we will provide service for students and the companies log into our website. Students can register, build their profiles, upload their existing resumes, and looking for internship posting matching their skill size. Using a database of internship listing website, companies can register, post jobs, and search jobs seeker profiles. Companies can view a profiles of registered students and contact them. Initiative and interview and perform some other action related to their post. In addition, registered users should be able to search for jobs and filter in the result based on the location, required skills, salary, and experience level. And this part is compared to the old one, which is what we want to deliver beyond this semester. We have covered all the stuff when we plan to deliver this semester. We have user management, company profiles, seeker profiles, and job post managements in our UML, but we still want to add more information later. For instance, like we can have a discussion board that will allow students to read the company and provide comments. Also, a module allows students to share interview tips and experience as job rookies. And I think that will be all. Those 2 points is one is for the value proposition, and the second one is what we have delivered in this master.
This is our final UML, and we made some main changes in milestone 3 when considering business insights. In that time, we need to see our data and UML clearly and frequently to come up the questions about the relationships between this data. So in that time, we found some problems in our UML. The original UML is like this. The position is horizontal. You can see it's really wide and it's hard to view all the things in one glance. And the shape is not regular, so it has some space and you need to move it up and down to see all the things. So the first thing we changed is change the diagram shape from horizontal to vertical for better viewing and clear viewing. Then also, as you can see before, some table is really long with some unnecessarily attributes. Like you can see this social impact, description short. It contains some repeated information and some unnecessarily too specific information that we don't need for our project. So in that time, we we removed these unnecessarily attributes to make the table more simple and clear. Also, we changed some names of the table and attributes for better understanding. Like before, we have a table called business stream, which is kind of confusing. So we changed it to company category. Later, you can see it here. Company category. And the last change is combining some common attributes for better management of users. Actually, we put the first name and last name from seeker profile to the user account, so all the posters can get this first name and last name as well. Now, from our viewing, Each attribute is more useful and intelligible, and the data is more reasonable and manageable now. Now, let's talk about the things went well during the process. Through the course, we get very clear materials and videos in each module which teach us the basic techniques. So we get very clear milestone plan every week. In each milestone, the goal was clear and the approach was stated in detail on the videos. So we were able to fulfill every step of the project smoothly. So finally, surprisingly, we get our product in a kind of easy way. Also, the discussion board was really helpful. Thanks for the discussion in each module, we were able to solve some difficult configuration problems when installing MySQL and also the Clover to build the ETL flow. Some of the configuration problems it's really hard and I spent a whole day to search it on the internet but can't find an answer. But really thanks for the discussion. Some students, some classmates found the answer first and posted on the discussion board. So all the rest of us can get the benefit. Through teamwork, things also went well. During the process of the project, first, we successfully collected data from source web as CSV file. Then, we created a UML through the teamwork using Vertbello, which is a website allows all of us creating the UML at the same time. Also, we build a SQL database for job application. We create table statement and also insert data statement and inserting up to 26,000 rows data. Then, for the business insights, we identified 10 questions regarding business insights and create queries. Then, we move to the web development using JDBC to build the data access layer, using JSP to build the web for job application. We also created 2 ETL workflows regarding employment information as a database management for user reference.
Hi, this is Shimon. I will talk about for our rookie job searching application, what would we have done differently and what's our future plan. Since we set our proposition to mainly help the computer science major students to search for internships, instead, we could also set our target users to all the majors, or even we can set our target user to just a specific type of users. Furthermore, instead of building our web application based on the method taught in the class, we could also build a generic tab application and set up the RESTful API server. Because our data are saved in the database as resources, we could easily obtain the resources using get, put, and update methods. This could be done by editing the URLs to submit HTTP request. And for our future plan, we all think if there's no time restriction, we can do more stuff than we just done right now. This semester, we built a job application including the back-end database, server, and user interface. We could build the integrated web application and put it into the operation with some optimizations. So after this semester, we think we want to improve our project through several aspects to solve the database storage problems and the server request problems. First, As the number of users on our website increases, it is impossible to run the entire database on a single server. We could build distributed database system or MySQL cluster to reduce the pressure of data storage on one single machine and avoid single-point failure or security issues. And also, while the number of users on our job searching website increases, the input and output request will increase and have a high requirement for data reading speed. Therefore, we can add cache, which is an in-memory database with optional durability to save database reading time. To further optimize, we could also add LRU cache to remove the list of recently viewed job postings in the cache and save storage space. This could be implemented using the linked hash map data structure. And it is convenient to set up our servers using Amazon EC2 for hosting the website that provides grow and shrink resources. We could choose multiple types of instance with the selection of different configurations. To ensure the elastic web-scale computing, EC2 could increase or decrease our capacity within seconds. Also, in order to reduce the server pressure of a higher QPS, we could add a load balancer, which could evenly allocate the request to several back-end users and act as a proxy to hide our original servers from attacks. That's all the plans we have for now. Thank you.